Ma always tells us that we have this precious human life. So once you have this precious human life, you have three potentials. Number one is you have the ability. Whatever you do, you have the ability because you have this brain, discriminating intelligence. And then we have the opportunity, right? And then the number three is we have the responsibility over the other beings, because we, being human beings with this precious brain, we can do so much. So we have to use these three potentials to really help others. As human beings, the other creatures will not be able to do because they don't have the brain. So that's why every person with this precious human life has lots of ability and opportunity and responsibility. Especially like His Holiness the Dalai Lama says, like, when you were born, other people looked after you. When you are born, you are helpless. You can't do anything by yourselves, right? So we live with the care, love and kindness of other people. We are brought up. Now at the end of your life, when you become sick and old, again you have to depend on other people. So that's why in the beginning of your life and in the end of your life, you need other people's kindness for you to survive. And then he asks us, in the middle of your life, when you are fit and fine, why don't you help others? So this is the favorite message by His Holiness. I really like this. So I try to spread this among all my friends. Thank you.
And your name?
My name is Tenzin Pelmo.
And you are here in...
I was a student of TCV school. From the age of 6, I was here. So I'm here because of this institution.